Good evening, good evening, good evening. What's everyone saying? You finished our puta. We better win today. No top of the Kakoning game. We better win today. I'm here with my bro.
Tomorrow. How many minutes you had?
Oh, yeah. We're on the suave. We're on the suave.
Gosh. Yo, the puta. Smash the like button. We're
That's
back
it.
again, bro. We're back again. Hey, listen. Northside's got the wooden spoon, so anyone wants it, yeah? Trust me. Trust me. Yeah? Looks like my legs. Hey, smash these likes up. Sub to Northside, link in the title. We see today that that Mane, yeah, it ain't easy FC are in the bin again. We see today that Chelsea are kicking off in what 7 minutes. We will not be there, guys. We will not be there, unfortunately. However, we will be there. Liverpool, hey, they're doing it for Kloppy. Hey, listen, la. Hey, listen, if the trophies mean more in Liverpool, la. Hey, you see you, mate. Listen, big up Jurgen. Yeah, big up Jurgen. They're doing it for Kloppy. What are they doing for Kloppy, bruv? Yeah, what they're doing is making him go out sad, bruv. That's what they're doing. Yeah, but don't worry. They're doing it for Arnie. They got Arnie's slut. Arnie's slut. There's plenty of sluts in Liverpool, la. Yeah, do you know what I'm saying? Hey, anyway, smash the likes. Sub to Northside. We're going to get some food after this. We're going to do a show on his channel as well. Shower, boom, we're out. But listen, we have a small matter of a North London derby. We can end their season. They can end our season. Because if we beat them, it looks like good evening is getting top four. And if they beat us or draw with us, we're kind of effed because I don't really see City dropping points. What are you saying? You're confident?
Yeah, listen. Top Gooners better be confident. You know what I mean? They better be confident, bro. All the pukaria you man been talking. What are you not saying now? I bet you're Arteta in now. We better win, Filo da puta, because I don't care about a one-off game. I care about what we win in the end. Yeah? Nobody got conmigo. I'm telling you right now, yeah? These man got Pam 4-0 against Newcastle. We better win. I don't want to hear nothing. Do you know what I'm saying? Liverpool right now. What's going on with Liverpool, bro? Mo Salah looking like flipping the Egyptian Tracy Beaker. What happened with him, bro? what? They're arguing now. They're arguing. You know what I'm saying? You're stressed. Yeah. Big up to the Man City fan that said, Jurgen, he's tired. Who made you tired? Who made you tired? Yeah. I don't want to hear nothing about you're tired, bro. I don't want to hear nothing, bro. If phase 1 of Big Ange beats Superman Cartetta on phase 4, all this money spent, I'm not hearing no Bulgaria, bro. You finish that put the better deliver, bro. I'm telling you this right now. We got the blueprint from Newcastle. Long ball over the top. These man getting buried. So target Porro because he's a bum. He's basically their right back flipping version of Zinchenko. You've got flipping Romero. That bum can't defend. Basuma, these Phillies that were gassing up Basuma. Look at Basuma now.
Oh, he's better than Party. He's better than Party. Yeah, good one. He's better than Bryce. Yeah, cool, mate. Good one. Yeah, good one.
That budget burner boy. Yeah, what's going on with him? Yeah, what's going on with him? You maricas that merda. Yeah, you guys better. I don't want to hear nothing, bro. The way everyone's running up their mouth now because we won against Chelsea, I don't care.
This is not Chelsea. This is not Chelsea. Johnny Mineral's having a seizure, bro, because 29 scored again.
Yeah, so I'm not hearing nothing. I'm not hearing nothing. We better deliver, bro. Better deliver.
Don't worry, man. Don't worry. Don't worry. Yeah, don't worry. We've got this, bro. We've got this. You know, Big Ange in that. Kangaroos in sauce. Do you know what I mean? He's kangaroos in sauce. Yeah, and don't think I've forgotten new expressions, yeah? Running up. I see your video. Yeah, I see your video trying to shoehorn all your players into a combined 11. Don't think I didn't see that. Yeah, listen, and Tobes as well. Yeah, Tobes. I swear down, you're walking out that stadium on 40 minutes again. Yeah, he was giving it to me. He was giving it to me the other because he's in America. Yeah, I said, "Oh, run off here, run off here." Well, you don't want it. He goes, "No, I'm back for the game." I said, "Okay, cool." He goes, "I'll text you, win, lose, or draw." Yeah, cool. We will be there, guys. We will be there. But listen, we better win. Yeah, because let's be real. Everyone's gassed up our season, and it went from starting slow to being amazing. Yeah, to then dropping off 1 in 7, to then Salt Bay serenading our manager, dangling his meat in his mouth. I'm not quite sure what that was all about, but it worked for a little bit. We were slapping up teams left, right, and centre. Yeah, literally, it was pants down, bend over, say Yeah, do you know what I'm saying? And then good evening turns up. And why does it have to be him, bro? Yeah, and now we then go and get knocked out to Bayern. So there's no excuses about Champions League this week coming up. We can play our best team. We slap up proper Chelsea. I'm confident, though. I can't lie. They've had 2 weeks off. Yeah, and that could go one way or the other. They could either not be on it 100 because we've been playing every 4 days. Yeah, and after beating Wolves just, and then slapping proper Chelsea, and it was a slappage. Yeah, we could be like, boom, 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 boom. If they play that high line and people say, oh, but you said that when they came to the Emirates. Yeah, cool. They should have beaten us. Let's be real. Yeah, they should have. 5 more minutes of that game, they would have beaten us. Yeah, but Madison's been poor recently. Basuma's fallen off a cliff. They got no. Oh, happy destiny, a doggy day. Yeah, good one, mate. He's out for the season. Pedro Porro's a scrub. Romero's a red card waiting to happen. Yeah, and then they've got them 2 bums on the wing, bruv. Them Io de puta on the wing, yeah. Them Granny Poya, yeah. Brennan Johnson, bruv.
B-Tech Craig David, talk about him. Yeah.
Right.
What happened about him? Yeah. B-Tech Theo Walcott, you bum. Yeah. Some budget Chamberlain. Yeah. That guy's a bum. I told you, Felix Puta, when you paid 50 mil for him, that guy is rubbish. Yeah. Rubbish. 50 mil. And then they're like, oh, no, but it's okay. We got Sonne. We got Sonne can come on. Yeah. Listen, I want to be singing Neighbours, bro. Neighbours should be there for one another. That's when good neighbours become lily white. You Philly don't puta. Listen, I'm not, bro. I don't care. Just beat these guys. Although these men are the best left back in the league.
We've got a Turbo Timo. Turbo Timo, you know. Yeah, the Germans. My neighbor is the German. Yeah, the Germans do not rate Timo Werner, and he's the Germans. Yeah, nah, bro, that guy's a scrub. Ben White's gonna pocket that guy, bro. I swear down, yeah. These pace and power merchants are trash. Yeah, this high line merchants, yeah. Oh yeah, mate tax. Yeah, I don't really care, mate. Hello, mate. Yeah, hello, mate. Yeah, well, I don't listen. It is what it is, mate. I'm Big Ange, and I'm from Australia, mate. I'm a Stoic. Yeah, good one, mate. Yeah, you're getting spliffed, bro. That's what you're getting. You're getting put in the bin. Yeah, Betty Alamio de Io de puta. Yeah, we are slapping this lot. Yeah, and I swear down. Yeah, I'm so confident that we're going to beat these. Yeah, so confident. Yeah, we're purring at the minute. Yeah, we had the knockbacks. Good evening, Bayern. We mentally were a little bit gone against Wolves, but then that Chelsea game, yeah, this lot are shitting at a brick. I swear down, yeah, this lot are sitting there thinking, rah. But it's their cup final, and we know what they do in cup finals, innit? They don't win them. Yeah, so they finished either way.
Let's hand them their Tottenham back. You know when they were singing, we got a Tottenham. We're going to tell you about your Tottenham back. Yeah, we're going to tell you about your Tottenham back. And you got Bentancur, yeah, looking like a B-Tech flipping Khabib from UFC. That Philo Daput is going to be put in a stranglehold. I don't care what these men are telling me about flipping Bentancur, you B-Tech flipping Mankind, Mick Foley, Philo Daput. He's trash. And I've been telling you, Maricas, that he's trash. You know what I'm saying? But you man better deliver, because Havertz, you better be on job. Odegaard, I want to see that performance that I saw against. Look at this a bit new, Odegaard, I don't want to see no B-Tech performance from you. Yeah? But you God, Kondev said, I want to see a proper performance. Look at it, I don't want to see no rubbish, bro. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to see the flipping the Norwegian Homelander from the boys. Yeah, back Norwegian Homelander. You know what I'm saying? You better perform, you mighty goddammit. You better perform, bro. And Saka as well. Yeah, I'm sick and tired of certain performances I'm seeing from you as well. Looking like the B-Tech flipping Kodak Black, you feel that puta. You better turn up. Yeah, nobody. I'm telling you right now, they better perform. And Martinelli, I'm telling you, you better get your P45, Marika Dameta, book your Uber or Bolt, and bolt yourself back to Rio de Janeiro with all them fruity, man, with your Havana flip-flops and dancing in the carnival with all them fruity, man. You know what I'm saying? Doing the Diddy party out there. You better be performing, bro. I'm telling you right now, I'm not playing, bro. You, man, better fix up. And the flipping, Dutchavelli, yeah, and Suge Knight in centre-back. You, man, I don't want to see no Pucaria, but this ain't death row. You, man, better turn up as well, because you've been costing us games as well. Yeah, you see this wooden spoon? Yeah? Could you see the shine on it? Yeah? I'm telling you right now, there's going to be... I'm telling you right now, you, man, better perform. I don't want to see that Zinchenko thing.
Oh, no. Let's see Tech Bart Simpson, bruv. No. I swear he starts, we're finished. Yeah, and all this gas I've got for the game, he starts... No, we're done. My baller, Trossardino, better start the game. Facts. Same starting 11 as the other day. I dropped Saka and put Martinelli on the right. However, I wouldn't be too disappointed if Saka plays. He's got a good record against this lot. But he better perform. This is where boys turn to men. Yeah, this is where boys turn to men. This is the title charge. We're head-to-head. We got to make City slip. Yeah, Steven Gerrard. Hey, don't let this fucking slip, la. Yeah, hey, we're not doing it for Kloppy because Kloppy weren't here at the time, la. We're doing it for Brendan. Was it Brendan? I don't even know who it was, la.
Well, looking like he got new skates and Ali Pali, bro. This ain't Ali Pali, you feel that puta, yeah? You know what I'm saying? Man's playing football like he's flipping Ice Spice on flipping skating ring.
We got the skinny Van Dyke, yeah. We got the skinny Van Dyke out here next to me, yeah, with a wooden spoon, bruv. And he means he's on smoke, bruv, yeah. And and you see that big Van Dijk, the juiced up Van Dijk on the peds, yeah, them inhalers, yeah. Did you see him, man? It was so poetic. He slipped the other day. Yeah, did you see him slip? Yeah, them Scousers get in the bin, yeah. F them, yeah.
Yeah.
Score prediction.
Black man can't jump. You know that film, White Man Can't Jump, Black Man Can't Jump. What was that? Van Dijk, you go and jump in, bro. What's going on? Yeah.
Baby giraffe.
He was doing the sackers, doing the limp. Yeah.
Sir limps a lot.
Oh.
Score prediction, man. Come on, let's go, guys.
Oi, you know what? Nah, Bundy's lot. I'm gonna go 3-1 Arsenal.
Ooh, that's the same as me. 3-1.
Are you gonna say 3-1?
Yeah, I think if we score early, they fold.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I'm gonna predict this as well. Yeah, they're getting a red card. Yeah, because they're going to be so charged up. Their fans are going to be. Yeah, we'll both sets of fans are charged up. Of course, they want to stop our party. We want to stop their top 4 parade. Yeah, because that is their trophy. Yeah, Daniel Levy FC looking like Julian from AFTV. Do you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I swear the evil twins. Yeah, like, do you know what I'm saying? Yeah, no, it's perfect.
A little mini me, yeah. Yeah, I'm saying, man. Yeah, cool. You're gonna be calling for Bitty after we finish you, like Little Britain. You
not Bitty now, Bitty later.
Bitty now.
All right, listen. Make sure you sub to Northside LD, and we're dropping a preview as well on his channel. The link's in the title. We're doing this all over again. Show love to my boy. Yeah, real one always. We will be there, guys, for the watch along as well. We will be there. What time's it kick off? 2 p.m. UK. We will be here at 1 p.m. UK tomorrow. And Fancam's player ratings, it won't be player ratings actually, it'll be an emergency meeting to trigger you idiots, you hijo de puta. Yeah, we're going to trigger you, emergency meeting every stream after the game is emergency meeting from now on. We're win, lose or draw, we're there. So yeah, man, 3-1, 3-1. Yeah, Topspurs, yeah, get in the bin, man. Chicken on the ball FC. Oh yeah, good one, mate. Yeah, good one. So there is to do. What does that even fucking mean? So there is to do. Yeah, no, get out of here, man. Adios, amigos. Ciao.